Alright, Mr. Simpson, is this the way you wanted your name to show up on the title?
Yes.
Okay. And is this the right titling address?
Uh-huh.
And in the event of your death, who would you want to receive a third income title?
My wife, Jan.
Jan. Perfect. Alright. And is this your correct cell phone number?
Uh-huh.
And your home phone number?
Yep.
And you own your home, rent your home?
I'm buying it.
Buying it? Okay. And how long do you live there?
11 years, 4 months.
Okay. And what's your mortgage on that home?
It's 1135.
1135. And do you have a second mortgage or just that one?
Nope, that's it.
Okay, perfect. And what's your level of education? 4-year degree?
4-year degree.
Okay. Where'd you go?
Stephen F. Austin.
Oh, really? I got a bunch of friends that went down there. How do you like it?
It's alright. I like
Cool.
making those.
Yeah? And your current employer?
Dealer Consulting Group.
Okay. And what's your occupation there?
I'm the vice president.
Okay. Perfect. And is this right work phone number?
Uh-huh.
Okay. And what's your gross salary per month?
6,000.
6,000? That is before taxes, right?
Yes.
Okay. And how much of that are you guaranteed in the event you're sick or injured and couldn't work?
None.
Zero. Okay. Something to think about. And how long have you worked there?
5 years, 1 month.
5 years, 1 month. Well, the bank's going to want to see 10 years of employment history. How many jobs would that equal for you?
2. Just 2. Just DCG and Don Herring Mitsubishi. Plano.
Okay. Said Plano. And do you have any other income set up? Any type of assets, cash value, life insurance, anything like that that you might be able to use to pay off this loan?
No.
No?
Just my income.
Okay. And I'm going to need a bank records. Who do you use?
Chase.
Chase. That's a big one. And is that checking and savings or just checking?
Checking and savings.
Okay. How much do you carry on a daily average in your checking account?
500.
Okay. And savings?
1,000.
1,000. And have you ever had a bankruptcy or a recession?
No.
No? And I see all your references here. Everything looks good. I just need your signature right there. So it's certifying that this is true and correct. Perfect. Alright, let's go over these numbers and make sure everything looks okay. First off, I see that you're buying a 2010 Mazda 3 i-Touring, black in color with black interior with approximately 18 miles on it.
Yeah.
Okay. And you're selling to us a 2000 Ford Mustang, black in color with 100,000 miles.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you buy this car new or used?
I bought it used.
Bought it used? How long? What was the status with it when you bought it? How old was it?
I bought it 3 years ago and it had 60,000 miles.
Okay. So in 3 years, you're putting about 20,000 miles a year on a car?
Yeah, roughly.
Okay. It's been a good car for you?
Yeah, it's been a good car.
Okay. Were you the primary driver or somebody else?
No, it was all me.
Perfect. And whenever you traded this in, did it have any major defects on it, or was it just basic wear and tear?
Just your basic stuff.
Okay. Alright, these are the numbers you've agreed to here. This is your down payment of $4,000, leaving your balance to finance at this number here. And we're going to need your signature on the bottom left. Alright. And this one is just an agreement to furnish insurance saying that you will in fact issue insurance on this vehicle until the loan is paid in full. And who's your insurance company now?
It's Bristol West.
And your agent?
Al Banker.
Okay. And what's the deductible for comprehensive and collision on your insurance policy?
500 and 500.
Let's see your signature there. Alright. And one of my primary responsibilities in here is to make sure that you fully understand the warranty that's in place from the manufacturer on this vehicle you're purchasing. This tells you all the stuff that is and isn't covered. It's going to be coming with your vehicle when you get it here in just about 20 minutes. I like to do graphs, just makes it a little bit visual. It helps me learn a little bit, so I figured I'd give you the same luxury. First off, did your salesperson explain anything to you about the warranty?
3-year, 36,000 miles, bumper to bumper.
He was exactly right. This is in fact a bumper to bumper warranty, and you said you drive this for about 5 years or 100,000 miles. This expires in 36,000 miles. As you see here on the first page of this book, it is a limited warranty of 36,000 miles or 36 months, whichever one comes first. And you should hit that number probably between 2 and 2.5 years, so it'll be 2.5 just to be on the safe side. Alright. And you are correct again, it is a bumper to bumper, roof to road coverage, and it is with $0 deductible. So anytime you use a claim that isn't covered in this manual here, you will in fact have no money out of pocket that you have to pay to get this fixed. And This side is not covered. I like to use acronyms, make it a little easier to understand everything, so I'm going to write the word timer on here. Alright, we'll go to page 14 in your manual. It says here that tires are not included with the warranty. Any inconveniences, are also known as extra expenses and damages, are not covered. And your maintenance is at your owner's expense. And here you'll see that it's also environment and road hazards. I'll take you back to this page. I'm going to explain to you exactly what your warranty is and what Mazda claims is their warranty coverage. Mazda warrants that your new Mazda vehicle will be free of any defects in material or workmanship. That's where the limited part comes into play. It is defects only. What they mean by that is they can prove that anything in the car was built wrong, assembled wrong, or designed wrong. It will be covered. If it's outside of that, if they can prove that it was something by you, then it is not in fact covered. Now also, if you look back on the page 14 again under what's not covered, it also claims that no wear and tear. Now what they consider wear and tear is anything that came from climate, the road you drive on, or your own personal driving habits. They obviously can't control the climate, or it'd be 70 degrees all year round everywhere. They can't control the roads, there would never be any construction, and they can't control your own personal driving habits, although you can, they personally can't. So does this all look good so far? We're on the same page so far?
Gotcha.
Alright. Now quick question for you. Would you be thinking that your car is more likely to break down in the beginning of the time when it's a new car, or the end when it's a used car?
Probably in the end.
Absolutely. If you put this yourself in the shoes of Mazda, if they were offering you to put the warranty on the back and you covered the stuff on the front, it'd be a pretty good deal, wouldn't it?
Well, yeah.
Obviously they won't do that, and that's why on this side of it, where it is more likely to break down, you will in fact be 100% risk responsible. Good news to you though is that I have converted to the way to do this is going to be complete blanket coverage that wraps around all the loopholes and gray areas from the manufacturer's warranty. If you ever have any problems with your tires, we'll take care of that for you. If you have any problems with your inconveniences, we'll take care of those as well. If you have your maintenance, especially during the first 12 months, 12,000 miles, that critical break-in period, we will take care of that for you as well. And also anything that has to do with the environment or road hazards, we'll fix that for you too. On top of that, we'll even take care of the wear and tear stuff. The way we're going to do that is